Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the full armor skid plate from Cycra. Alright, so today we're giving you a closer look at the full armor skid plate coming from Cycra. Now for me personally, I always recommend, doesn't matter what type of rider you are, whether you're on the motocross track, out riding in the trails, or even the desert, I always say get a skid plate on your bike. You want to have coverage and protection for your frame rails as well as your engine cases. I can't tell you how many times I've seen riders damage their frames or even break their cases or damage them because they didn't have a skid plate on their bike. So if you want to avoid that and possible costly repairs, skid plate's going to be the route to take. And if you're looking for one that is lightweight, slim, but also very good protection, then this full armor from Cycra is going to be an awesome choice. So a couple of features about these that I like. Looking at it, these are made from injection molded plastic, but something I think that Cycra does well. You can see just how thick the plastic is that they use for these. So that's going to offer great durability, great protection. You can see front to back, side to side, full coverage for the frame as well as your engine cases. You're also going to notice too, when it comes to fitment, something that I've always noticed Cycra does really well. Being injection molded, they offer great fitment. So with these, all the hardware you're going to need for install is going to come included. You don't have to do any drilling, any modification, but just remember, every bike's going to be a little bit different. For example, with this red skid plate here, this is for a 2017 CRF 450R. Now that bike comes with a skid plate stock, so they do include new hardware for this skid plate, and it's just going to mount right up the same way your OEM plate does. But for some bikes, for example, I have one right here for a KTM, this bike doesn't come with a skid plate. So they actually include frame mounts that are just going to hang right over the frame, and then everything's just going to bolt together. So install is going to be a little bit different for every bike, but still going to be very simple to do. But once you have it mounted up, like I said, it's going to offer great protection. Now going along with the skid plate, another accessory that I think is really nice to have is some foam. So I've got some up here from Tusk. We have it in a couple different thicknesses. The reason that I really like to have foam with the skid plate is I don't care what skid plate you have. Mud, debris, sand, whatever it might be, always finds its way between the skid plate and your frame or the engine. So if you want to help prevent some of that, especially in muddy conditions, you can take foam and just stuff it into those cracks and crevices to help fill those voids to avoid getting any debris or mud packing in there. Something I've done, and it works really well. But there they are. Those are the full armor skid plates coming from Cycra. You can see a lot of cool colorways to choose from. They are bike specific. So when you're picking yours up, just make sure you enter the make, the model, and the year of the bike that you're picking it up for, and that will ensure that you do get proper fitment. To pick yours up, it is real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. Don't forget, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight and want to see more just like it, make sure to get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and that way you stay up to date. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.